commercial growers in Hawaii spray ethylene gas on their pineapples to get them to have bud initiation to grow pineapples. For you, the homeowner, an apple can do the trick. All right, the fun part. We're gonna take the apple and I'm going to just put a few slits in it. This apple, the apple will give off ethylene gas. All right, apples do this. You want your tomatoes to ripen? Take an apple, take your tomatoes, put it in a paper bag, and the ethylene gas from the apple will help make your tomatoes ripen. So, for flower bud initiation, we put the apple.
With the slits, right?
Yeah,
you cut slits. How many?
I put like 3 or 4, and this is the fun part, without poking your eyes out.
And those things are prickly too.
Yeah, these are lovely. I'm trying to cover as much of the plant. So, we have to allow a little bit for some of these leaves, because what I'm trying to do is keep as much of that ethylene gas in there as
So the
possible.
apple's giving off ethylene gas.
Correct, and that should help with flower bud initiation. Now, you can't leave this on too long because of it. All right, so I'm wrapping as much plastic around the apple to trap in the ethylene gas, and the bigger leaves are exposed. So, but what I'm trying to do again is keep as
Cover
much,
the apple.
keep as much tucked in. I don't know. Other people do it this way. Some people cover the whole plant, just put slits.
It's got holes in the front.
Yeah,
Flip it
I'll
around
have
so
to.
you can see.
Yeah.
Watch your eyes.
Oh, we don't want that. All right. So, in fact, sometimes I even use Scotch tape. And probably I will do this. I mean, again, this is the way I do it, and I'm pretty successful. So we'll cover it. All right.
Should you go on to the next one?
Yep. The next one. A few slits in the apples.
I did that one already.
Okay. All right. Now, this actually bared a pineapple last year, and I have 2 areas where I can get a new pineapple to grow. I do not know which one will do it, and if they do both produce, they'll probably be a little smaller. It's almost like a twin. It probably should have been separated earlier on, but I'm going to try it. So I have 2. Now, get this big trash bag.
A big one.
Yeah. And what I'm going to do on this, try to cover again without poking my eyes out.
Let me grab.
Wrestling. And I'm going to cover this as much as possible this way. So I'm going to try.
Watch out. It's going to boomerang back.
Yeah, again. So, I will show you after we finish wrestling.
The leaves.
Yeah, I'm getting there. Okay.
It's stuck right here. I can see it. There we go.
Yeah, I'm going to cut a few slits in
Yeah,
it.
so I can breathe.
Yep.
So you want to get the gas towards like the center of the plant where the pineapple would grow.
Correct. Now there would be some condensation in here and everything, but I want to try to trap it in.
Now, have you had a lot of success with pineapples and not doing the apple? Or
Yeah, I've had it, but I had to wait a few years longer maybe, and
this could
I've
start
learned-
flowering how long?
Well, see this, it's like a surprise. You're not exactly sure when you're going to see it, but
So you'll keep this one for a couple weeks,
yeah, I keep the slits in it.
and then you'll take it off when?
I'll probably take it off in about 2 weeks, something like that.
And then when will you know if it successfully?
It might be, I don't know, mine after I've done it, sometimes I've seen it a month later.
Okay.
For Mars. So, alright, poking holes for these leaves. Again, I'm trying to concentrate on the middle. And again, everybody does it differently. I'm just trying to, I don't want the leaves to be totally sucked in and too much condensation and kind of disease or rot. So,
And
you gotta love pineapples to do this stuff, believe me. But
then you'll have one like this.
but yeah, it's neat to see. And again, I learn every day with this stuff, and you know what works, what doesn't work. Different methods right now. This maybe it's not the best, but
Hey, it works for you.
So education is an ongoing thing. Right, so I'm trying to get the apple wrapped and not, I know this is athletic tape. Anyway, I'm just trying to wrap the plastic as close to the apples as possible to trap as much ethylene as I can get off of them. Now, again, this is just something that I do.
It's a very scientific method.
There's a scientific theory behind it that should work. Now, the methods do vary. Again, some people just cover the whole plant and just put holes in it. Taking it up. So,
That's it.
yeah, that's that. And the other one, pretty much the same. So, this looks a little better because it's smaller.
A little easier. Hopefully.
Athletic tape, nice.
And I'll have more info later.